Hola, Jonathan. How are you? How have you been? Good morning. I hope you are having a good day. Y que estés muy bien, Jonathan. So, Jonathan, today we are going to go over goals IEP 1 and 2. And we're going to start with IEP goal number 1. And for goal IEP number 1, we are going to be reading a short story and answering comprehension questions. So vamos a leer una historia y vamos a contestar unas preguntas, Jonathan. So we're going to go over main idea and supporting details. So the main idea is what the text is mostly about. And supporting details are facts or examples that tell you more about the main idea. So the main idea is lo grande de la historia, Jonathan. ¿Qué es lo más importante de la historia? Eso es lo que es main idea. Y supporting details son nomás cositas o ejemplos que te dan en la historia. So we're going to work on goal number 1 worksheet, and the first one is going to look like this, Jonathan. It's called Reading Comprehension, Fluffy the Cat. So vamos a leer esa historia, okay? So agarra esta página. This is gonna be the first one we're gonna do. Fluffy the Cat. This is the page, Jonathan. Don't forget to write your name and the date so I can know that this belongs to you. And I'm going to read the story and we are going to answer question number 1 together. So, Jonathan, the name of the story se llama Fluffy the Cat. So, Fluffy is a cat. She likes to play. Fluffy can jump very high. So this is Fluffy the cat. I'm going to read it one more time, Jonathan. Fluffy is a cat. She likes to play. Fluffy can jump very high. So question number 1, Jonathan, it says, what kind of animal is Fluffy? So is Fluffy a dog or is Fluffy a cat? Point to it. What is Fluffy? ¿A cuál es Fluffy? ¿Es un perro o es un gato? Yes, Jonathan. Good job, Fluffy. Oh my God. Fluffy is a cat. Se hizo highlight todo. Pero sí, Jonathan, Fluffy is a cat. Let me see if I can. Here. Let me put a little box. Make it smaller. So that's the answer, Jonathan. Cat. Now, question number 2, you're going to do it on your own. I'm going to read it to you. What does she like to do? What does Fluffy like to do, Jonathan? Does she like to play or does she like to jump? ¿Qué le gusta hacer? ¿Jugar o brincar? And question number 3. What can Fluffy do? ¿Qué puede hacer Fluffy? She can jump high, brincar alto, or can she walk, caminar? Once you are done with your worksheet, you send a picture to the teacher, okay? Okay, Jonathan, now we're going to go over goal number 2. And here we're going to sort pictures or objects based on categories. So, here's an anchor chart. This is un ejemplo. This is an example of what we're going to do. So on the top here, it says food. We're going to put all the ones that are food together. Like here. All the ones that are food are together. Clothes. All of the pictures of the clothes están together. Están juntos porque todos estos es ropa. Todo esto es comida. Los vamos a poner juntos. And here, shapes. All of these are shapes. So all of these are together. That's what we're going to do on your next assignment. We're going to sort them into categories. Nos vamos a poner juntos en la correcta, en la parte correcta. So here, Jonathan, we're going to do goal number 2 worksheet, and it's the very first one, the one that is called Farm and Zoo Animals Sort. So find this worksheet, the one with the farm and the zoo. So this is the worksheet, Jonathan. Farm and Zoo Animals Sort. So we're going to do one of each side together, and then you're gonna do the rest on your own. So let's start. Farm. What animal can you find in the farm, Jonathan? Point to it. Tell me which animal you can find in the farm. Yes, this one. The horse. You can find the horse in the farm. So this one, this horse, you're going to put it here in the farm area. You're gonna paste it right here. Now the next one, Jonathan, the zoo. What animal can we find at the zoo? Point to it. Yes, the monkey. We can find the monkey at the zoo. So you're going to paste this animal and you're going to put it here in the zoo because you can find the monkey in the zoo. Now go through each of the rest of the animals and tell me where they belong. Do they belong in the farm or in the zoo? Do it for the pig, the elephant, the chicken, the lion, the zebra, the giraffe, the hippo, and the sheep. ¿A cuáles van en el farm? And which ones go in the zoo, Jonathan? Once you are done, you take a picture and you send it to your teacher. I hope you have a good day, Jonathan. Bye. If you have any questions, you can call us y nosotros te ayudamos, Jonathan. Nomás nos hablas si ocupas ayuda. Para eso estamos, para ayudarte. Have a good day, Jonathan.